Hello friends, today we're going to be looking at closed and open syllables. Our words that we're going to be focusing on are pencil, magnet, publish, supper, letter, lady, gravy, solo, open, odor. So as we know, syllables tell us how many vowel sounds there are in a word. All of these words have two syllables, which means they have two vowel sounds. If we clap them out, we'll hear pencil, magnet, publish, supper, letter, lady, gravy, solo, open, odor. So to tell if it's a closed or open syllable, if we hear a short vowel sound in the first syllable, it is closed. If we hear a long vowel in the first syllable, it is open. I like to think of that as open starts with a long vowel, and if it has an open first syllable, the word has a long vowel at the beginning of the word. So if we look at lady, notice how I hear that long A sound, lady. Same with solo, O, low. I hear a long vowel. And then I have open and odor that both start with that long O and they are open syllables. If they have a short vowel sound in the first syllable, they are a closed syllable, such as pencil. I hear that p, short vowel. Like magnet, I hear a short syllable, or I'm sorry, a short vowel. Publish. I hear that sound and a short vowel. So again, if I hear a short vowel in the first syllable, it is closed. If I hear a long vowel in the first syllable, it is open. So on the top, you're going to put all the closed syllables, so all the short vowel words that have a short vowel in the first syllable. And down below, you're going to put all the open syllable words, all the words that have a long vowel in the first syllable. Below, you're going to find the misfit letter. You're going to cross out the extra letter and write it correctly on the line. On your other page, you're going to be looking again. Oops, let me get to it. Here we go. Sorry about that. You're going to be looking again for your open and closed syllables. We have our same words. Open syllables go here, and that means long vowel in the first syllable, like 80. Over here, I'm going to list my closed first syllables with a short vowel in the first syllable, like magnet with the sound. Then below, I'm going to read each group of words and I'm going to circle the word that does not fit the vowel pattern in the first syllable. So if I look at number 11, I see magnet, supper, solo. Notice how magnet and supper have a short vowel sound, but then I come to solo and I hear a long O, a long vowel. So solo does not belong. Number 12, gravy, pencil, odor. So looking at your short and long vowels, think about which one does not belong. Number 13, open, lady, magnet. Number 14, publish, open, letter. Number 15, supper, solo, gravy. When you are done, make sure that you have put the correct words in the correct columns. Make sure your open syllables have a long vowel and the closed syllables have a short vowel. When you're done, make sure you put your name on it and turn it in.